has upped the offensive. Taking it a step further, the Congress has launched a web portal where people can register to demand accountability from the Election Commission of India against what it called was vote chori and express support for the leader of opposition's demand for digital voter rolls. In a post on social media platform X, Rahul Gandhi has said that vote theft is an attack on the basic democratic principle of one person, one vote, and asserted that clean voters list is essential for free and fair elections.
It is critical that we expose voter chori. इस कैंपेन का आप पूरा समर्थन कीजिए. प्लीज सपोर्ट दिस कैंपेन फुली. हमारे वेबसाइट पे पूरा का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है, डेटा है. आप इस मूवमेंट में शामिल होइए और हिंदुस्तान में जो वोटर चोरी हो रही है उसको रोकने का काम कीजिए. इट इज क्रिटिकल दैट वी एक्सपोज वोटर चोरी. इस कैंपेन का आप पूरा समर्थन कीजिए. प्लीज सपोर्ट दिस कैंपेन फुली. हमारे वेबसाइट पे पूरा का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है, डेटा है. आप इस मूवमेंट में शामिल होइए और हिंदुस्तान में जो वोटर चोरी हो रही है उसको रोकने का काम कीजिए. इट इज
So once a person registers on the portal, a certificate is issued in his name which states that she or he stands against vote chori. The certificate will say, I support Rahul Gandhi's demand of digital voter rolls from the EC. This portal also gives the option to the people of calling on a number and filing the link in the SMS to register. The certificate bears the signatures of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal and the Treasurer Ajay Makan. Meanwhile, Kharge will also host India Bloc Leaders Remember at his residence tomorrow at 7 in the evening. This meeting will bring together opposition leaders on the agenda of cornering the Election Commission.
कि इस एक इलेक्शन कमीशन की वजह से दुनिया भर में जो हम लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी, सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र करके जाना जाते थे, आज पूरी दुनिया को पता चला है कि यही इलेक्शन कमीशन इस लोकतंत्र को मारना चाहती है, मार दिया है. और अभी हम डेमोक्रेसी नहीं रहे, फ्री और फेयर इलेक्शन हमारे देश में नहीं होते, वो पूरे दुनिया को पता चला है. दुनिया में बहुत सारे लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि हमारे देश में क्या चल रहा है, भारतवर्ष में क्या चल रहा है.
Now, while Rahul has continued his attack, he has still not responded to the EC's dare, which is that of signing the oath or apologizing to the country for his charge against the Election Commission of India.
मैं श्री राहुल गांधी जी से पूछना चाहता हूं कि बिहार में सिर्फ तथ्य के आधार पर पूछना चाहता हूं. पॉइंट नंबर 1, बिहार में 1 सितंबर तक जिसको आपत्ति है कि उसके कागज नहीं सही ढंग से प्रस्तुत हुए हैं, वो चुनाव आयोग को अपना आवेदन देकर अपना नाम जुड़वा सकता. श्री राहुल गांधी जी, आप एक ही कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में इतना सिलेक्टिव कैसे हो जाते हैं? उसी बेंगलुरु सेंट्रल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में आप वो विधानसभा दिखा रहे हैं जहां बीजेपी ने लीड किया है. 2 विधानसभाएं, चामराजपेट और शिवाजी नगर, जहां कांग्रेस को 60% से अधिक वोट मिला है. आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? डिप्टी सीएम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं?
इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि जो लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन है, उनकी जो मानसिकता है, इस देश को बांग्लादेश बना देना चाहते हैं. उन्होंने जो क्वेश्चन उठाए हैं चुनाव आयोग के ऊपर, SIR के ऊपर, अब आप समझिए चुनाव बांग्लादेशी वोटर के नाम पर तो होगा नहीं. 4 जगह जिनका वोटर लिस्ट में नाम है, जो बात वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में करें, ये बात तो चुनाव आयोग कह रही है ना कि 4 जगह नाम है, उस नाम को काटेंगे. SIR तो यही है, लेकिन वो बांग्लादेशी वोटरों के नाम कट रहे हैं. इस कारण से उनकी समस्या है. बांग्लादेश में भी इसी चुनाव आयोग के ऊपर जो है क्वेश्चन हुआ. राजीव गांधी जी को ये नहीं पता है, राहुल गांधी जी को ये नहीं पता है कि जब राजीव गांधी जी थे प्रधानमंत्री, तो जो चुनाव आयुक्त थे वो उनके घर में बैठते थे, वो PMO में बैठते थे.
Honestly, whenever they get elected, they will say hey, it is a justice, and whenever they lose the election, always they UVM mistake and fake votes. They have showed bundles of the documents. You produced before the election commission. You challenge it. Why you are not challenging? It is not signed by the Rahul Gandhi. It is not signed by the Mallikarjun Kharge. Rahul Gandhi is not ready to file an affidavit before the election commission. He knows his allegations are false. If he gives an affidavit, it shows that it is a false affidavit. It is offense in the criminal procedure.
All right, let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who's getting us more on this. Niyamika, this political war of words continues between the Congress and the BJP, but, the Election Commission has been saying that Rahul Gandhi still has not responded to what it had dared the opposition leader to do, despite the fact that he has now upped the ante against the poll body.
Well, this battle between the Congress party and the Election Commission of India is escalating day by day, and that is the only reason why now a new campaign has started by the Congress party. As today, Congress has launched a new website which is having all the details regarding the allegations which they are putting upon the Election Commission of India regarding the alleged voting theft what they are saying as in that particular website, people of this country can register themselves, and they are also will be able to download a certificate in which they are basically signing a declaration for supporting this cause of the alleged voting theft, which is currently what the Congress party is saying is going on in this country. As for that reason, tomorrow there is also going to be a protest march where all the India bloc MPs are going to participate, as they are going to march from the parliament towards the Election Commission of India, as the sources are also saying that as many as 300 MPs are going to participate in this protest march, where they are also sought a time from the Election Commission officers, as they are saying that we are also going to inform them about all these allegations which we are putting to the fore. As for that reason, we have seen that how a response is also coming in from the Election Commission side, as they are repeatedly asking Rahul Gandhi to declare an oath to give in writing regarding all these allegations which he is making upon the Election Commission of India, as they are also saying that if these allegations are true, then he should also give it in writing. Otherwise, he should take it back, whatever claims he has made during a press conference. However, on the other side, the Congress party is continuously attacking the Election Commission of India, as not just this website has launched, but tomorrow there is also going to be a meeting which is being called by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge to all the general secretaries and in charges at 4:30 p.m. in the evening, where they are going to prepare a strategy that how this message is going to be spread all across the country, how the state units are also going to work regarding this entire matter, so that the people of this country will also get aware of this allegations which Congress party is making upon the Election Commission of India.
Right, Niamika. So as the Congress and the opposition strategize how to take this forward, the Election Commission has now released once again their objection and